Hey guys, in this video you'll learn how to change your display profile picture on Spotify in 2021. It's super simple. So if you appreciate this video, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more videos just like this. So let's start. First, after you've opened the Spotify app, what you have to do is click on the gear icon at the top right corner of the app. And now click on the first option, View Profile. After you've clicked it, go to Edit Profile just below your username and click on your existing picture. Now you have the option to choose a photo or take a photo right now. Let's choose a photo, for example, this one, the first one, and let's use it. Now you can click Save and it will automatically be reset and changed to the new picture. And that's basically it. That's how you do it.